2 jobs, 60 hours a week?
Prime
No.
time.
See, you're mistaking work for hard work. You're mistaking work and time consumption for hard work. Because I know motherfucking receptionists, and all they do is sit at the sit in the chair in the lobby for 60 hours a week. That's all they do. But they still claim they work hard. When we talk about motherfuckers that get out and go through their motherfucking contacts every day and see who can I hit up today that's gonna benefit me? Who can I hit up today?
Okay, I will agree and I agree. Cause I will put it like this, man. If you work in 2 jobs, man, and you gotta get it, then you know you still working. And I'd rather you working and doing something, especially to get out your situation, than be a bum, right? But I do agree and I don't agree. Like what he's describing is hustle and hard work. You know what I'm saying? Like he's describing hustle and hard work. But let me play some more of it just to get fully what he's saying.
That's gonna fucking go to this shit. I need to drive across town. I need to see who can I hit up today that's gonna benefit me. Who can I hit up today that's gonna fucking go to this shit? I need to drive across town. I need to drive to this other state. I need to go do this shit. That's the shit.
Yeah, I agree with that.
Job, that's not working hard. You working hard for somebody else's money. You're making somebody else's company work better.
Okay.
When you work hard, you working hard for yourself. If you saying you work hard and you got 2 jobs and you work 60 hours, the rest of them hours in the week need to be yours.
That I do agree. I agree. Now, you know, that's why you gotta play. You gotta play the whole thing, see what he's saying before you interject. But I'm like, I'm like, he's a pretty good, well thinker, you know what I'm saying? And, you know, the things that he hasn't never really worked for like a long time for somebody else. For most of his years in his career, he has now been doing with music, business, adventures, even now venturing into the streaming side and everything, entertainment. Like he's in that realm, right? So he's his own boss. He does his own thing. So, you know, he has a different perspective now over the years compared to just working for somebody. You know, I'll give you an example. I do work now 2 jobs, you know what I'm saying? I've always have worked multiple jobs, but I always still had that hustle to go and build my own platform up, work for myself, do my own stuff. And that's what he's talking about. Like, even if you are working 2 jobs or you working 1 job, whatever the case might be, it could be an hourly job, a salary job. He's talking about like the work doesn't actually start till you start working yourself, like working for yourself. And you start, when you get home, you look at your contacts, you call calling, you selling something, you building a page to sell your cosmetics or to sell whatever you're doing on your landing page. You have some type of service you can provide, you whatever the case might be, right? And that's what he's talking about here.
And you need to work. That don't mean that, you know, outside of them 60 hours that you get to rest. You don't get to rest outside of them 60 hours. Get your motherfucking ass. When you get off, you ain't off.
You're not off.
You didn't just get off of your second job. You just clocked into your motherfucking job. You just clocked into your company. You didn't just clock out of the second job. You just clocked into your company.
Hey, man, we gotta get this dude a hand. We gotta give him a round of applause on that shoe, bro. That dude preaching. T-Pain over there preaching. Exactly, man. Like, yo, if you really want to get out here, man, you gotta get out here, bro, because the opportunities are so great. You know what I'm saying? And you just can't get comfortable. You know what I'm saying? Like, every day you gotta look and see that, like, yo, there's a chance for you to get somewhere in life that you want to be at. And is it a dream that you want to accomplish? You can do it, but you gotta understand that no one's not gonna do it for you. You gotta do it yourself.
Start some shit that's gonna benefit you and stop helping these motherfuckers that's already millionaires. You saying you helping 2 millionaires.
2 millionaires.
2 different people that got their shit together.
Goddamn, I'm helping 2 millionaires, probably billionaires. Shit. But shoot, it's hard, man. You gotta pay bills. Hey, but you know what I'm saying? That's why, like, hey, when you get off those 2 jobs, You know what I'm saying? How fix your schedule, have it scheduled to where you can schedule your own time. You know what I'm saying? Like, you got to invest in your own time into yourself still, no matter what. Even if it's an hour out of the day, you got to, man. You have to do it. You got to find it. Because if you don't, you will never will.
Together. You got 2 jobs and you got 2 jobs helping somebody that already got their shit together. You think that's the hard work? That ain't the hard work. The hard work was getting your ass to fucking help them with no benefits. The hard work was convincing a stranger to come make my company run by itself without me doing a fucking thing. That's the hard work. Getting the motherfucking company so big that they can just get you to come in and do the work for them. That's the motherfucking hard work. That's the goddamn hard work. Get your ass up and do something for you. Don't get off of work and then go to sleep so you can go to the next one. The fuck?
The fuck? What are we doing here, man? That's what he said. Like, man, look, hey, if that doesn't push you to want to get up and get moving and get some shit done, I don't know what will, man. Like, Nappy Boy, he's serious. He's serious. Like, he have a smile on his face, but he's serious. He's like, yo, y'all gotta wake up. I understand y'all got bills to pay and you working 2 jobs, you might have kids, but you gotta make something out of nothing. You gotta find some time, 30 minutes, an hour out of your day, something to work on so you can study so you can have the better knowledge. Maybe it's so you can read some books to get caught up on a skill, whatever it is, man. Like, that's what you gotta do, man. Yo, I'm gonna play a little bit more and see what else he's saying, and then we're gonna wrap it up.
Get up, do your shit. Be overwhelmed. It's gonna be overwhelming. It's gonna be overwhelming. You know how I know it's gonna be overwhelming? Because you got jobs. Because if it wasn't overwhelming, the CEO of the company you work for would be doing your fucking job itself. But he had to hire you so he didn't have to do that shit. Because guess why? It's fucking overwhelming. Go do it. And this ain't no Gary V shit like just telling you to go do it and I got a handout and shit. I work for my shit.
Hold on now. We don't know if that dude got a handout. All right? We don't know if Gary V got a handout. That's a little shot right there, bro. That's a little shot. I don't know. Hold on. We're going to keep playing it, though.
For real. I mean, I'm sure Gary did, too. But, you know, small loan didn't help him. You know. But look, that shit, you know, like, this is real shit. Like, don't get off of work and then go to sleep like you ain't got nothing to work for yourself. If you want something for yourself, you got to work for it just like the CEO that got you to work for him did. Same
thing, man. Yo, shout out to T-Pain on that, man. Give him a wild applause, man. Hit that thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you enjoy it. I agree with them, man. You got to put the work in. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if you're working 2 jobs, whatever. The real work starts when you get home. What do you decide to do? Are you building your dream or are you still going to build someone else's? See you soon.